Hi, welcome to the Accelerate Makerspace. Have you been here before? Well, I'm glad you stopped by. The Accelerate Makerspace is open to everybody, no matter what major you are or experience level you have. We provide a bunch of tools and resources to work on academic or even personal related projects. Feel free to take a look around and check out some of the stations we have.
Hi, this is the Accelerate Printing Station, where we have our Prusa and Prusa Minis for anything that you want to print that needs to be done fast and also large. Now, if you want to have anything higher quality, finer detail, and better for final prototypes, you can use our Formlabs SLA printers. Now, if you want to use any of these printers, be sure to check out the Accelerate website where you can upload your STL files and you will get an email whenever the print is done. Now, don't forget to check out Accelerate's photography studio.
Welcome to the photography studio. Here you have access to professional cameras, audio equipment, video cameras, backdrops, and lighting equipment. You can access this whenever the makerspace is open. Be sure to check out the sewing station.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to the sewing station. Here we have sewing machines, embroidery machines, a heat press, leatherworking tools, all sorts of fun stuff like that. This is a perfect spot to work on something new or repair some clothes like I'm doing here. You could work on things like costumes, you can make a custom blanket, a stuffed animal, any kind of amazing project like that. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out the electronics station.
This is the electronics station where you can get done any of your electronic projects. We have soldering irons, Raspberry Pis, Arduinos, and breadboarding materials. This section is open whenever the makerspace is. And make sure to stop on in to the wood shop on your way to the dirty space.
Oh hey, here's a pair of these. In the wood shop, we have all sorts of machines to help you get your projects done. From more traditional equipment like our table saw, miter saw, bandsaw, and drill press, even to our 4x8 CNC router, we also have power tools like cordless drills and biscuit joiners. If you would like to learn more about the wood shop and get trained to use the machines, please sign up for a time with our lab technician to get trained. Thanks for stopping by. Can you bring this to the spray paint booth?
Perfect, just the color I was looking for. We are at the spray paint booth, where it is always ready for you to bring your project and spray paint it the way you like to. Hey, how's your bowl going?
It's going great. Here at the pottery station, we have wheels, clay, and a kiln and glazes for you to use. What are you making?
Hi, I just finished etching into this pen case. Here at our laser cutter, you can cut and engrave your materials that you bring in. Make sure you talk to our lab technician before use. Hey, can you drop this off in the tool cabinet for me?
Let's go here. Here at Accelerate, we have a lot of hand and power tools for you to use on your projects.
Hope you enjoyed your tour. It's open to all majors, so feel free to come on by and bring your friends, and hope to see you soon.